Hi guys, I'm Prabhakaran. Welcome to Innovative Codes Academy. In this video, we'll learn about how to automate WhatsApp message in Python using Pywhatkit package. Okay, let's start the section. Open the PyCharm application. One pop-up window is open. Click on New Project. Here it is, give your project name. My project name is WhatsApp Automate. Before create project, select the two options, inherit global site package, make available to all project. After select, click on create. Project is being created. Installing Python 3.8.6. Wait couple of minutes. Be patient. After install Python software, next configure your Python interpreter. I hope you will see the some message at top. No Python interpreter. Configure for the project. Click on configure Python interpreter. Then click on add interpreter. Then one pop-up window is open. Add Python interpreter. Then select new environment and select inherit global site package and make available to all project. Then click on OK button. Creating virtual environment. If you are watching this video in YouTube and enjoy what you have seen, don't forget to hit the like button. Then make sure to subscribe for notification about new video. After configure Python interpreter, you will see one new file added in your project. That file name is venv. I hope you will see that. Wait couple of minutes, be patient for configure Python interpreter. Successfully configure Python interpreter. Okay, let's go to the program path. Clear the program codes. Before going to program path, import the Pywhatkit package. The package available in internet. Open the browser. In search box type Pywhatkit package. Search that. Give some result. Click on first link pywatkit.py. I will give you a link in description. Official website is open. Pywhatkit 3.8. Copy the pip. Install Pywhatkit. I hope you will see that. Go to the program path, click on terminal. I hope you will see that. Here it is, paste the copy text, then click on enter button. Pywhatkit package will be imported in PyCharm software. I hope you will see that. The files are cached and download 3KB 1.2 MB SysMB. Then installing collected packages, rlib3, request, Wikipedia and so on. Let's go to coding part. First I will import Pywhatkit package. After import, then implement function pywatkit.sendwhatmsg. In the function, 4 arguments are passed: phone number, message, hours and minutes. The based on 24 hours format. I will send message to my brother. I will give my brother mobile number in single quotes. Message is hi brother, how are you? In single quotes. Then set time. My time is 12:41. My time is 12:41 p.m. I will send my message to my brother at time 12:43 p.m. Program is over. Then run the program. Give some message in below. In 60 seconds, web.whatsapp.com will open. After 20 seconds, message will be delivered. Okay, I don't do anything. I will close my browser. Wait until browser automatically open in 60 seconds. WhatsApp web is open. I don't do anything. WhatsApp web is automatically open. Even messages are delivered after 20 seconds. I hope you will see that. Message will be delivered successfully. It's very useful to you for birthday wishes, wedding wishes and so on. Don't forget any wishes. Okay, thank you for watching video. In previous video I explained how to download PyCharm application properly.